In this video, we will be discussing how to set up the anchored VWAP with standard deviations indicator on the TradingView trading platform. Once inside of TradingView, go to the indicators panel and search for anchored VWAP and standard deviations by creator Rumpy Pumpy Dumpy. Once you've added it to your chart, you'll want to open up the settings and begin changing the inputs to see it on your chart. First, we'll need to change the year so that we're in the year that we're trading, followed by the current month, in this case October, and the start day of the previous overnight session. Because when we use our anchored VWAP indicator in trading futures, we anchor the VWAP to the overnight session in order to give us the full picture for the upcoming trading day. If you're on the East Coast, you'll need to set the start hour to 18 on a 24-hour time scale. And you should have something that looks like this. Here, your anchored VWAP is the yellow line, and the standard deviations away are red. The standard deviations above are green. The indicator does work as it stands for now, but if you want a cleaner look, you can follow these further steps for setting up the indicator for daily use. Inside of your settings, you'll want to go to Style. For ease of use, we typically only use 1, 2, 3, 4 whole number standard deviations away from VWAP on both sides. You need to play with the plotting points under the Style to take out the half standard deviations away. Once you found, you can see that every other standard deviation away can be removed, leaving you with just the whole number deviations. You'll want to do the same for the downside to remove 0.5, 1.5, 2.5, and 3.5 until you're satisfied with your indicator. In order to keep charts clean, we also typically remove the lines and labels and to do that, you'll need to go to the Style tab, continue to scroll to the bottom, and uncheck the labels and lines boxes. It may take some playing with in order to get the correct plots. Just to be sure, it usually helps to uncheck every other box. There we are. Now we have anchored VWAP to our previous overnight session opening point. 1 standard deviation above, 2 standard deviations above, 3, 4, and the same going back down. 1, 2, 3, and 4. With that, you'll have added an anchored VWAP with standard deviations to your chart.